First of all, a very happy Independence Day to all the Indians out there. As India celebrates its 75th year of independence, we, the team of Wings of Gold, bring to you some unsung heroes of our freedom struggle and some astonishing facts about post independent India. So stay tuned and check out the whole video. Do you know who is known as the grand old lady of the independence movement? She is Matanjani Hazra. Matanjani Hazra was an Indian revolutionary who took part in the Indian independence movement. She was arrested twice during the civil disobedience movement. She took active part in the non-cooperation movement and Quit India movement. At the age of 72, she was shot thrice by the British Indian forces in front of the Tamluk police station during a procession. After being shot thrice, she kept marching forward with the Indian flag and kept shouting Vande Mataram. Known as Mother of Indian Revolution, Bhikaji Cama was a prominent figure for India's independence struggle. She was also a figure for gender equality. She donated most of her assets to an orphanage for girls. Bhikaji Cama came into limelight after she unfurled the Indian flag at International Socialist Conference at Stuttgart, Germany on 1907. Tara Rani Srivastava. She is known as the Rani of Quit India movement. During the Quit India movement, she with her husband marched a procession towards Saiwan police station to hoist the Indian flag. During the procession, her husband was shot. She bandaged his wounds and continued her march forward. But after she returned, she noticed that her husband had already passed away. But her freedom struggle didn't end here. She continued her freedom fight for India until the partition of India on 15 August 1947. Our next unsung hero is Pyar Ali Khan. Khan was one of India's initial rebels who took part in the 1857 Sepoy Mutiny. He was among the 14 who were given capital punishment due to their role in the Indian freedom struggle. Khan's work inspired a lot who followed, but generations later, his name just faded away. Tiruppal Kumaran. Kumaran was the founder of Deshbandhu Youth Association. He was killed during a protest march against the colonial government on 11 January 1932 for holding a flag of Indian nationalists that was banned by the British government. Though he succumbed to injuries, he was found holding the flag, for which he was named Kori Katta Kumaran, sorry for my pronunciation, which in Tamil means Kumaran who protected the flag. And now we are going to talk about one of India's bravest daughter and one of the most underrated women of the Indian independence struggle, Rajkumari Gupta. Rajkumari Gupta and her husband were strong supporters of Mahatma Gandhi. But slowly, Rajkumari Gupta got influenced by the revolutionaries. She became a close associate of Chandrasekhar Azad. She secretly carried messages for him to other revolutionaries without the knowledge of her in-laws and husband. During the Kakori case, she played an important role. She carried armed pistols under her garments along with her 3-year-old son. Later, she was arrested. After the arrest, her in-laws disowned her. I guess most of you have heard about the trio of Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Bipin Chandra Pal, famously known as Lal Bal Pal. But how many of you have heard about the trio of Binoy Badal Dinesh? Binoy Basu, Badal Gupta, and Dinesh Gupta were 22, 18, and 19 years old when they wore European outfits and entered the writers' building. Their prime target was a brutal police inspector, Colonel N.S. Simpson. They succeeded in killing him and fired rounds of bullets on the Britishers, but were later outnumbered by the British forces. Binoy consumed a cyanide pill, whereas Badal and Dinesh shot themselves point blank. Among the three, Dinesh survived and was captured by the British forces. He was then later hanged at Alipur jail on 1931. Kukholkwar. Kukholkwar was the Indian Congress president from Sarupathar committee. He was an Indian Taya freedom fighter from Assam. He was the only martyr in the later phase of Quit India movement from 1942 to 43. For more such interesting videos on our history and heritage, do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to like and share it with your friends.